The Meizu Note 16 is a budget-friendly smartphone that aims to provide a reliable and user-friendly experience. Based on various reviews and specifications, here is a summary of its key features and performance. Key specifications: display 6.78-inch FHD plus 1080 x 2460 pixels LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features DC dimming and TUV low blue light certification for eye comfort. Processor UNISoC T8200 chipset 6nm with an octa-core CPU. RAM or storage available in 8GB or 12GB RAM with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. There is no external storage slot. Camera: a dual camera system on the back with a 50 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front facing camera is 8 megapixel. Battery: a large 6600 MHz battery with 40 watt fast charging. Operating system: Flyme AIOS 2, which includes integrated AI features and a dedicated AI button. Durability: the phone has an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance and is designed with an anti-collision beam for improved drop resistance. Connectivity: 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also has a USB Type-C port. Performance and features. General performance: the Meizu Note 16 is described as a well-rounded smartphone designed for everyday use. The UNISoC T8200 chipset is custom tuned to provide a balanced mix of performance and efficiency for handling daily tasks. Display: the large 6.78-inch LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate provides a smooth and vibrant viewing experience, making it enjoyable for watching videos and browse. The high refresh rate and eye care features are a plus for the budget segment. Battery life: the 6600 MHz battery is a major highlight, offering long-lasting power. Reviews suggest it can easily last for a full day or even 2 days of mixed usage. The 40 watt fast charging helps to quickly top up the battery. Camera: the camera system is considered passable for its price point. While the 50 megapixel main camera can take decent photos in good lighting, its low light performance is noted as being average. The phone's main focus is not on photography. Software and AI: the Flyme AIOS 2 is a key feature, incorporating AI capabilities like voice interaction, customizable shortcuts via a dedicated AI button and a AI CI overview for at-a-glance information. Durability: the phone's robust build with IP65 water and dust resistance and enhanced drop protection makes it a practical choice for users who need a durable device. In summary, the Meizu Note 16 is a strong contender in the budget segment for users who prioritize a large, smooth display, excellent battery life and durability over high-end camera performance. The inclusion of AI features and long-lasting battery makes it a practical and modern option for daily use.